In this video, we're going to discuss the graphs of inequalities. Let's say I have an inequality, y is greater than or equal to x. In order to graph this inequality, you're going to graph y is equal to x, which would look something like this, and then shade above the line. So since this line has a positive slope, we're shading this side of the line. So this whole area is our solutions to the inequality. Notice that I used a solid line when graphing this inequality because y is greater than or equal to x. Let's say we had the inequality y is greater than x. We would graph the line y is equal to x, but instead of drawing a solid line, we're going to draw a dashed line. And of course we would shade above because y is greater than x. This dashed line shows that everything on the dashed line is not included within the solution of the inequality. Everything on the solid line of y is greater than or equal to x is included within the solutions of the inequality. So 0, 0 is a solution to y is greater than or equal to x, and 0, 0 is not a solution to y is greater than x. Let's say we have the inequality y is less than or equal to x. We're going to graph y is equal to x with a solid line because it's less than or equal to, and we're going to shade below. And let's say we had y is less than x. We're going to graph y is equal to x with a dashed line, and we're going to shade below. The dashed line means that everything on the dashed line is not included within the solution set. Let's say we had lines with a negative slope. Let's say we had y is greater than or equal to negative x. Then we're going to graph y is equal to negative x, which looks like this. And we're going to shade above the line. And since it's a solid line, everything on the line is included within the solution set. If we had y is less than or equal to negative x, draw the line at y is equal to negative x, and shade below. Everything that is on the line is also included within the solution set because it is a solid line. Let's say we had an inequality with a horizontal line, something that looks like this, or something that looks like this. If we had y is greater than or equal to whatever this line is, we would shade above the line. If we would have y is less than or equal to whatever this is, we would shade below the line. If we would have y is greater than or y is less than, these would be dashed lines instead of solid lines.